Today I'm gonna tell you about the accommodation.
550 euros, paying there like 410.
Say, I look rent free.
I am paying 600 euros.
And my rent is 550. Oh no! Oh no! Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is 30th of April और आज से मेरा new semester start है and I'm already here at Potsdam Hauptbahnhof. This is the theater so beautiful. अभी थोड़े दिन पहले Gurleen went to Venice. She had a really good trip. So pretty.
This was the theater.
Look at this cutie. इसके साथ मैं खेल रही हूँ इशारों में और इसे खुश हो रही है ये. So ट्राम से उतर के हम जा रहे हैं अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी को एंड टुडे द वेदर इज सो गुड गाइज. अभी इट इज़ 16 degrees and I guess when is our class ending? 3 or 3:30 I guess, and then the temperature then will be like 27 degrees or so. It's gonna be so good.
Yes.
It's gonna be a good day and maybe हम लोग क्लास के बाद आज कहीं जाएं. हमारे एक्चुअली यूनिवर्सिटी के जस्ट उस तरफ एक लेक है जहाँ पे मैं कभी गई नहीं हूँ. So maybe we'll go there and as you have read from the title, today I'm gonna tell you about the accommodation.
Finally!
आज सारे students से मिलेंगे and we'll ask them कि वो कैसे कैसे कहाँ रह रहे हैं, how much rent are they paying and where and how did they find the accommodation. So this vlog is gonna be helpful for you as well. So okay, let's go to the university now. Beautiful.
These are dailies, right?
अटक गया ना. देखो यहाँ पे डैंडेलियंस हैं. आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ दे आर कॉल्ड डैंडेलियंस. एंड अभी मैं एक को ब्लो करने वाली हूँ. मैं एक और फ्लावर लेके आ गई हूँ, उसको लेके बैठी रहूँगी. आज हमारी क्लास ऑडिटोरियम में. द बेक रूम. दिस वन. Okay, we have new classmates. We're waiting for the other students before we start. So मैं सुबह भाग के डेका से ये ब्यूटशन लेके आई हूँ, शोको ब्यूटशन. एंड अभी हमारा 10 minutes का ब्रेक हुआ है which is too less. Oh my camera is dirty again. तो आज तो बहुत ही बढ़िया मौसम हो रहा है. बाहर देखो. एंड इस वाले क्लास के लिए हमें बहुत कम ब्रेक मिल रहा है. अभी जस्ट फॉर 10 minutes और उसके बाद मिलेगा 20 मिनट का. एंड शी मेड राइस विद
Spring onion का सब्जी.
wow. No, my vlog. And Gurleen brought a sandwich.
No, she bought the sandwich for me.
Oh wow, that's so sweet of you. Guys, 2 classes merge हो गई है गलती से. And there's a lot of students here. But we're waiting for this to get sorted up.
A few minutes later.
हम आ गए न्यू रूम में. So guys, I try and make you guys know from more people how they got their houses here.
My best.
So this is Gurleen.
Hello guys.
She's also from India and she's gonna tell you how she found accommodation. So
there are many WhatsApp groups that you can join or Telegram groups. So I joined 3 WhatsApp groups. जो बर्लिन में मतलब कि लोग रहते हैं उनका एक ग्रुप था.
Yes.
और उन्होंने ही मतलब कि अपनी जब तुम उसमें पोस्ट करोगे कि मैं आ रही हूँ बर्लिन तो find me an accommodation, share a private room. They'll suggest you some places with also the amount and please specify with Anmeldung.
Anmeldung, yeah. It's important because अगर नया आ रहे हो तो तुम्हें वहाँ पे Anmeldung चाहिए ही है.
Yeah, exactly. So or you can also do like the rent sublet for a month and
Yeah.
during that time you can find a house and
Yeah.
I found my house first house through WhatsApp group and then second one my
How
friend,
much rent were you paying on the first house?
450 in a shared apartment.
Okay, and now?
And now I am living in a studio apartment. And,
Mhm.
yeah, for 550 euros. One of my friends in the university suggested that place.
And I have been to her place, so the studio apartment is really nice for 500, right?
550.
And that is
including all the bills, Wi-Fi.
Okay, and the deposit?
1100, the double of the rent.
Okay. Okay, alles gut. Danke. So this is Payal now, and she's also from India, from Maharashtra, and now she will tell how she found hers, and she's a bit camera shy, so but still thanks. Okay, chalo batao.
Yeah, so first I came here, so I opted for sublet. So
Okay.
it was costing like for 300, but I didn't got the annual room there. So after that I lived there for like 3 months. Then I tried in Berlin and many websites like student accommodation, student dorms and everything. So I got offer from Berlinovo.de. It's a student accommodation. It's a student. It's a flat system for students.
Okay.
So I'm sharing a flat with a girl. It's a 2 BHK kind of thing.
Is that a shared room or shared apartment?
Shared apartment.
Okay,
So you
the
get
room
a
is
personal
private.
room. Yeah, it's a personal room, and I'm paying there like 410, and deposit is like 820. So you can pay in like 3 installments also. So I paid like 50%. That is 420, and next month I'll be paying like 410 again.
Oh,
Yeah. So it's a bit comfortable also because you will get kitchen, you will get bathroom and a private room for that. And everything is provided by them like bed, computer table, chair, cupboards, everything is provided by them.
okay. So do share me the link. I'll put that in the description.
definitely.
What is it called again? Berlin?
Berlinovo.
Is it an app or a website?
It's a website. Student accommodation.
Okay, thank you. So this is the रायता जो बना के लाई हूँ मैं, और अब मैं इन लोगों को टेस्ट कराऊंगी. लो रायता खा के देखो. She got us fridge magnets from Italy. Oh wow! I chose this one. Thank you. And turn here. He's too shy. Hey.
Brother, you say you hate something.
No publicity. No publicity.
Salman Khan is out of his house. There's so many
No,
people
Shah Rukh
traveling.
Khan. Okay, you will just hear his voice, not his face. You will not see his face. How much are you paying?
400.
Is it a shared room or a private
Share.
room?
It's a share room. I found it through a friend from a group. They have
WhatsApp
a
group
community.
again?
WhatsApp group community. That's the better thing. So I shifted over there.
Okay, alles gut, danke.
Thank you, Sean.
Bitte
I hope I
schön.
wasn't fast enough, but I hope.
No, you were not. I
got
hope
that
you were audible
information.
though. Thank you.
Wait a second, I have nothing to say.
Yes, you have something to say.
What do I have to say? I live rent free.
Yeah, he
I live
lives.
rent-free.
Oh my God, how do you live rent free in Germany?
I live at my parents' place, saving money, more money to invest.
He is the blessed child out of the whole class who's a German and who's living with his parents, so he's not paying any rent. But where do you live?
Potsdam.
And do you have any suggestions for the people who are still finding their houses?
Yeah, don't get scammed.
Yeah, that's a good one actually. Because even like when I was coming here, I was always sending my friends to go and check the places before I would, finalize it. Okay, thank you. मैंने 36 स्कोर करा है and let's see how much she scores. Maybe we are having free time.
Why is it close to the walls only?
To make it difficult for you. I'm already winning, guys. Oh no! I just spoiled it.
It's 55, so.
Yeah, I just broke their record. So this is what I packed at home. ये tortilla rolls pack करे थे मैंने और मैंने इसको warm करा अभी and now I'll have these. So हम हो चुके हैं अपनी क्लास से free और हम जाने वाले हैं यहाँ पे एक पास में sea है. So we'll go there and I'll just show you around because वो सब लोग बोलते हैं बहुत पास है but मैं अभी तक गई नहीं हूँ. So let's go and see how it is. I like this area of the university a bit more. यहाँ पे वैसे नीचे classes नहीं होती कोई but these are the stairs और यहाँ पे graduation की pictures click होती है. And this is the entry and the exit. And also we have a new person with us. Hey Alp! So this is the new friend that we have. He joined this semester. He was also in the last semester but he was studying online, right? and he's from
Turkey.
Turkey, Istanbul, and now he's also coming with us to the lake. और मुझे अभी और समझ ही नहीं आ रहा यार मैं किससे पता करवाऊँ, मतलब किससे और इन्फॉर्मेशन लूँ अबाउट द स्टेज हियर, बिकॉज 2 लोग हमारे ग्रुप के थे वो अभी आए नहीं है. एक तो मलकीत आज मिसिंग है. यू रिमेंबर मलकीत फ्रॉम द लास्ट व्लॉग, लाइक पॉट्सडैम डे ट्रिप वाला. सो येस, मलकीत इज़ नॉट हेयर, संगीता इज़ नॉट हेयर, और मैं खुद की भी सजेशंस दूंगी एक बार घर पहुंच के आराम से. I'll tell you guys. I think if we'll stay in the sunlight for a few minutes, we'll start feeling so warm, I guess. है ना? Can you check the temperature real quick and tell me?
It's 27 degrees.
27 degrees. Wow. Oh, I see it already. Wow.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. It's somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day.
I literally didn't know that हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी literally उधर ही है और इसके just इतनी पास. So beautiful. So beautiful, right? Look at this, and we could actually go there. इंडिया में तो ऐसी कहीं जगह जाना हो नॉर्थ इंडियंस को तो दे ट्रैवल टू साउथ इंडिया. ओके, सो आई एम गोना डिप माय फीट. मैंने शूज उतार दिए हैं, मैंने शूज रख दिए पीछे. ओह, इट्स कोल्ड. It is cold, but it's nice. Wow, it's nice. You guys want to put your feet in?
No, right now.
You're probably so much used to this, and you as well, right? You have so many. Yeah, exactly. We don't have so much in India.
It's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I guess.
So now Alp is gonna tell how he found his home, and it's just been 2 weeks for you being here, right?
Yes.
And did you find the house from your hometown or like when you came here?
I found it from my hometown, from the computer. Google. I just Google it, spot a home, and just choose one of them. And I am paying 600 euros per month. It's a private room. It's shared apartment.
Okay, yeah, just like mine.
Yes. They call VG in Germany.
WG.
Yes.
Wohngemeinschaft.
I don't know that stuff, but
Yeah.
it's quite nice. It's in Mitte, Berlin.
Berlin Mitte, yeah.
Yes.
It's a good area, I think.
Yes.
Yes. And how much deposit are you paying?
Deposit I paid like 1,000
Okay.
euros. Yes.
And that was from the website Spot a Home.
Yes, spot a home. The website.
Danke. Oh, no time. I could also shuffle them in the other way, but they're still so new.
This one.
Let's see. Oh no, they're so new. Okay, let me just do it with this.
Hard to bend.
Yeah. ये 3 पत्ती खेल के ना मुझे आ गया है. 3 पत्ती with my friends on Diwali and also with my family on Diwali. Okay, so you're saying that we can throw +2 on +2 and also +2 on +4.
Yeah,
On
many cards as
+4 and
possible.
like vice versa.
Yes.
Okay. अच्छी बात है. But I can't see the rest of them. Okay. Oh no, guys. Oh no. You know my color?
Of course.
Yeah, because he swapped cards with me.
Yes.
Do you also have a plus card? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
I know.
14.
I know.
14.
I forgot that it was +2. Oh no. And the game starts again. Oh my
I won, guys. Uno won. Uno won. You know what? Just take the whole bundle, no?
So that she won, that we won. Start again.
No, you guys play. Yeah. और भाई यहाँ पे लोग स्विमिंग कर रहे हैं. भाई बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हैं. देखो.
We still continue playing?
Yeah.
That guy, this guy, and then these people. Everybody's having so much fun.
To the center.
One.
Okay then. Okay, we are ready.
Okay, next round.
In Germany we say, ein blindes Huhn fängt auch mal ein Korn. A blind chicken will also find something small.
That's for you. Because you lost, right? I think he's gonna beat me up in this game real bad.
Cards.
No, not 8. I gotta pick 6 cards.
No, 8.
8?
Yes.
Oh
8.
no.
You started it and again finished with me.
And he won.
I can't believe that originally ended like the last one.
Yeah, it was just like the last one.
Yeah.
Where it also happened to you.
Yeah, and I literally told you I'm ready to lose.
It's one of a kind. Yeah, what's up, I turn and off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life. And I gotta say, it's one of a kind.
Okay, so मेरा part रह गया था. Let me add my part here for the accommodation. So I got my house from Vege app. While I was still in India, I was searching for accommodations, and it is a task, guys. It is for sure a task. It's since my university is in Potsdam, so I was searching for houses in Potsdam from the Vege app, but I was not getting any responses from there. I was getting responses only when the houses were already like sold out. But then I started searching for Berlin, and I did receive like 4 responses. I would give a suggestion. You guys can put up like a picture on the Vege app that will like give the other person an overview like of like how are you like in person, and they'll just I guess reply you more. So you can do that as a tip. And yes, I got 4 replies, and out of which I preferred this house that I'm living in, and you guys have seen that as well. Or I'm living with 3 other people, and my rent is 550 a month, which includes everything. And my deposit was 600. Besides that, I was also searching on eBay, Anzaiga, and WhatsApp groups as well. But then on WhatsApp group, there's always like scams running up. I guess that's it. If I'll find more things to tell you guys, I'm gonna attach the clip when I go home. So we're going back now. This was where we had a good time. Now we're going back. It's really so close to my university, like 2 minutes of walk, and I think I'm gonna be here like more often now. It is so beautiful, and the summers are here. तो कितना मजा आया करेगा summers में. We're just walking back to the tram station, और ये लोकेलिटी इतनी अच्छी है. इतने प्यारे प्यारे houses हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, the tram is here. ये है वो lucky लोग जो Potsdam में रहते हैं. Only this girl. Gagik also lives in Potsdam. He's gone now. Okay, we go here.
Yes, let's go.
Nach Ahrensfelder in 7 Minuten. Malkeet is not here. Otherwise, Malkeet just travels with me. Because he also takes S7 and then he also takes S1 with me. Bye bye. See ya. Okay, the next station is Wannsee. S1 nach Frohnau is here. So guys, this is my dinner. I was making dal, तो मैंने इसमें दाल बनाई, फिर अब ये धो के साइड कर दिया है, और दाल है फ्रिज में ऑलरेडी. एंड ये मैंने दाल चावल बनाए हैं. जो बाकी दाल बची है वो मैं कल खाऊंगी. और ये इसकी फिलिंग बची हुई थी, सो आई मेड अनदर टॉर्टिला रैप. तो मैं खाने के साथ हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ देखना प्रेफर करती हूँ. एंड आई एम वॉचिंग माई ब्रदर्स एंड माई भाभीज व्लॉग राइट नाउ. एंड आपने भी अगर इनका चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा हुआ तो कर लो. आई विल ऐड अ लिंक हियर और इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. एंड ये लोग आजकल बहुत बढ़िया व्लॉग्स बना रहे हैं, डेली व्लॉगिंग. सो गाइज, अब मैं फ्री हो चुकी हूँ खाना खा के. एंड इवन दो आई एम अ बिट टायर्ड, बट आई जस्ट वांट टू गेट डन विद दिस. आई वांट टू शेयर all the things with you guys. I've actually also made a few notes here that I want to talk about when it comes to finding an apartment in Germany, like in general, not just in Berlin, you know. Also मेरी accommodation के बारे में, the place where I am living, it's not just a private room, it's also like I also have a private washroom, which is not such a common thing here. मतलब बहुत rare होता है कि तुम्हें अपना personal washroom मिले, which is also why I paid पूरे 1 महीने का rent. Like when I came here on February 28th. I landed here and मैंने पूरे February का rent पे किया था because I didn't want to lose this accommodation, this apartment, this room that I really like. So I think that is enough information about my room. my apartment. And if you guys want a dedicated vlog तो मैं तुम्हें पूरा दिखा सकती हूँ, because it's not just the room, I also have like थोड़ा सा ऐसे wardrobe area and then the washroom and then the common place. I also have my own backyard with the other people. तो मैं सब बना सकती हूँ. Just let me know if you guys are interested in watching like my apartment tour kind of a video as well. तो सबसे पहली बात तो बर्लिन हो, म्यूनिक हो, फ्रैंकफर्ट हो, ये जो सारे बिग सिटीज़ है ना, यहाँ पे लिटरली बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है टू फाइंड अ हाउस. सो इफ़ यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग, यू आर नॉट अलोन. बहुत लोग परेशान होते हैं, एंड स्पेशली इफ़ यू आर सर्चिंग फ्रॉम इंडिया, तो प्लीज़ बी अवेयर ऑफ स्कैम्स. डू नॉट पे until you do like a video call, or if you send your friend to check your house first and then only pay. Always make sure कि जो तुम अपना वेगे पे लिख रहे हो मैसेज, it's not just formality. तुम उन्हें बता रहे हो तुम्हारी क्या हॉबीज़ है, तुम कहाँ पढ़ने आ रहे हो, what's your age, what's your preferences, do you smoke, do you drink, everything. Because यहाँ पे people are very casual and they want to know about you. It's not like मतलब उनको तुम्हारे साथ रहना है तो they want to know about you. Okay, then the next point is that don't try to only find the house like in the center of the place, like in the center of the city. So try करो कि थोड़े साइड वाले एरियाज में ढूंढो. What you can do is that जब जो मैं कर रही थी was that मैं कोई भी घर की ad देख रही थी तो I was always like putting that address on Google Maps, and then I was putting the address of my university, and then I was always checking कि कितना distance है. तो मैं हर घर के लिए I used to check the same कि कितना distance है. Try to explore the other areas as well जहाँ पे थोड़ा comparatively price कम होता है. और यहाँ पे रेंट 2 टाइप्स के होते हैं. एक होता है कार्ट मीटर और एक होता है वार्म मीटर. कार्ट मीटर में होता है कि तुम्हें सिर्फ रेंट दिखा रखा होता है और बाकी सारा तुम्हारी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, तुम्हारा वाटर वगैरह का जो बिल होता है वो अलग होता है. वाटर, वाईफाई, व्हाटएवर, वो सबसे सेपरेट होता है. तो तुम ट्राई करो हमेशा वार्म मीटर लेने का, क्योंकि उसमें सब कुछ इंक्लूड होता है. उसमें तुम्हें अलग से पे नहीं करना पड़ रहा होता है. जैसे मेरा है 550 फॉर एवरीथिंग. सो हेयर इज द लिस्ट ऑफ सम वेबसाइट्स दैट यू कैन गो टू फॉर चेकिंग द हाउसेज. द फर्स्ट वन इज WG Gesucht app and their website. You can see on Immobilien Scout, you can see on eBay Kleinanzeigen, you can see on Facebook groups. तुम जो सर्च करो, जैसे मेरा आइडिया था पॉट्सडैम पहले, तो आई वॉज जस्ट सर्चिंग पॉट्सडैम अकोमोडेशन. तो वहाँ पे ग्रुप्स आ जाते हैं जो भी टॉप पे होते हैं, बर्लिन अकोमोडेशन, म्यूनिक अकोमोडेशन. सो येस, इन सब की लिंक्स मैं ऐड कर दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन में. तुम वहाँ से जाके भी ओपन कर सकते हो. और गाइज, तुम लोग जहाँ पर भी चेक कर रहे हो वहाँ पर अनमेल्डुंग का देखते रहना. और तुम नए नए मूव कर रहे हो तो तुम्हारे लिए ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है अनमेल्डुंग. तो जहाँ पर भी अप्लाई कर रहे हो वहाँ पे साथ में पूछो कि इज़ अनमेल्डुंग पॉसिबल. बिकॉज जब तुम नए नए आ रहे होते तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू हैव योर अनमेल्डुंग डन. बिकॉज उसके बाद ही तुम्हारा अकाउंट ओपन होगा और तुम्हें टैक्स ID मिलेगी. कभी कभार जॉब देखते हो उसके बाद तो जॉब के लिए भी कभी कभार आई गेस टैक्स ID चाहिए होती है. सो यू नीड टू फाइंड अ हाउस विच हैज़ द ऑप्शन ऑफ गेटिंग योर अनमेल्डुंग डन. Anmeldung is again the registration, city registration. So yeah, this is it about the accommodation. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, तो please subscribe करना, share this with someone who is looking for an accommodation right now. Be aware of scams, and I know it's very difficult to find an accommodation here. मतलब आप लोग अगर इंडिया में हो तो I know it's very difficult. लोग जो यहाँ पे होते हैं उन्हीं को बहुत टाइम लग जाता है यार ढूंढने में. बट ट्राई करते रहो, कीप ट्राइंग. इवन आई फाउंड माई हाउस व्हेन आई वॉज इन इंडिया, आई वॉज इन दिल्ली. So it's not like it's impossible, it's a bit difficult, but if you keep trying, you'll find something, right? So keep trying, and I hope you all find something really good and really soon. So this is it for this video, and I'm too tired now. I've already had my dinner, and I think I'm just gonna go and sleep. बहुत इस वीडियो के लिए बहुत सारी रिक्वेस्ट आई थी, एंड दिस इज इट फॉर इट. सो येस, इफ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब देन प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल राइट नाउ. And that would mean a lot actually. And also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. And also लोग मेरे से पूछ रहे होते हैं कि Gizmo better है, UE better है. Actually I don't know, both of them are good. I also have a friend from Russia who is in UE, and he also says that UE is also good. So I think like दोनों अच्छे हैं. You do your research, you find what's best for you, and yeah, you make the choice. So yes, this is it for this vlog, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care, subscribe to my channel, bye bye, see ya.
There's something I don't do.